Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I have this advice to make a little house or hiding place for your cat, since we all know that they love to get into small places and take refuge from time to time. It is very easy to do, and best of all, it is done with pure recycled materials and that we already have at home. So let's see what we will need. We will need 2 pieces of cardboard, either of a box or those that are 40 per 40 centimeters. 2 hooks, but make sure they are metal since we will need to fold them. Some tweezers to cut wire, and we will also use them to fold the hooks, fast drying glue or failing silicone, adhesive tape either transparent or any other. It is only to reinforce, and stapler that can be optional, and a shirt that no longer used man preferably, and that is medium or large to make it easier to put it. Now let's see how to do it. We take the hooks and cut the top or where it hangs. We do this with the 2 hooks. Since we have cut it, we straighten the best we can, but do not worry, do not have to be perfect, just that they are as straight as possible is enough. Since anyway we will fold them again in a moment. Help with the tweezers if it costs them work. We grab one of the pieces of cardboard, and we are going to make some holes on the 4 shores, helping us from the hook wire, as I show them in the video. This only do it with one of the cardboard plates, since the other will go on this covering the wires that will come out. Since we have done the holes, we are going to take one of the wires, and we will bend it as with the shape of an U to get into the banks of the cardboard in a cross way. Already put, we are going to take the tweezers, and we will fold the wire into 90 degrees, so that it is grabbed and cannot leave. We do this with both sides to be ensured as shown on the screen. Since we have finished, it must be seen more or less as seen in the video, and if the wire does not stay in place, only they assure it with tape on the base. We grab the other wire, and do exactly the same as with the other. We put it in the holes, fold and secure with tape if necessary. We do the same on the other side, and at the end it must be seen as follows. And we only ensure with the tape the wires in the part that are intended to sign the structure of our house, or hiding place for our pet. Put enough tape so that it will not get out. We take the other piece of cardboard and put the fast drying glue or silicone throughout the surface. Then we put our structure on top and pressure so that it is well stuck. This can take a few minutes, so they are patient. Since we have hit well, we only take the tape that we have and secure the banks by sticking them with the other so that it is firmer. This is totally optional, since for that we stick it with the glue or silicone, but it is worth giving another reinforce to our house. Now we take the shirt that we are not going to wear and grab it as if we were not going to put it, and we started putting it into the structure we did. Keep in mind that the neck is the entrance to the house, so they see it accommodating so that it is more or less in the middle in one of the triangles that are formed in the structure. More or less as I show them in the video. Follow her pulling until they see that she accommodates that way, and can pull it back. Be sure to accommodate the most centered thing that can be so that the sleeves are as possible, and we can pull them at the end. Already more or less focused, you must see how I show them in the video. We accommodate it so that the base is watching us, and we make more or less a triangle with the excess fabric, as shown on the screen. And we pull it up, then we pull the sleeves towards the tip of this, and grab the stapler, and set them together so that they are insured and do not safe. Put on the staples that you think necessary, so that there is no problem that you will move. It only remains to stretch it on all sides, and secure it with the staples, as shown on the screen, so that it is firmer as if it were a tent. Find him pulling with one hand and gaping with the other, or asking someone to stretch even better. As you can see, this is how it is over, and as you can see, it looks much more stretched because we get the banks. Believe me that your cat will love it. This can also serve as a little house for small puppies, and so they do not go cold in what they already buy it if they have it outside. I know that you will have much better, and if you do, I would love to send me the photos to the Facebook page to publish them. The father is that they can already make them of the colors they want, and even customize them, since it is cloth and is easy to paint. And best of all, it was made with pure recyclable materials, and that we already had at home. And they are sure that your pet will thank you very much. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all family, friends, and acquaintances, like on the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.